Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top 3 best iPhone 15 Pro Max Pitaka Cases 2023 you can buy. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. The best way to protect your iPhone 15 Pro Max is with one of these 3 Pitaka cases. These imaginative cases, made with first-rate aramid fiber, offer a blend of lightweight plan and unrivaled sturdiness. These Pitaka cases are made to last for years without deteriorating, so you can find the ideal combination of style and utility. Accept the dependable Pitaka brand for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you can put your worries about the safety of your device behind you. I have prepared this video guide for the 3 best iPhone 15 Pro Max Pitaka cases 2023. So let's get started. 3. Moonrise Magez Case 5. At simply 0.75mm slight and gauging a simple 13 grams, the Moonrise Magez Case is intended to be the exemplification of moderation. It adds for all intents and purposes no mass to your iPhone 15 Pro Max, permitting you to partake in its thin structure factor without settling for less. Say goodbye to bulky cases that feel heavy and cumbersome in your pockets. The Moonrise Magez Case is made of aramid fiber that is used in aerospace and provides dependable protection against everyday impacts, scratches, and bumps. Because of this cutting-edge material's remarkable strength-to-weight ratio, your iPhone 15 Pro Max will remain secure in any circumstance. The Moonrise Magez Case's MagSafe Compatibility is a standout feature. This case makes sure that all of your MagSafe accessories are perfectly aligned with the iPhone 15's Pro Max magnetic technology. You don't have to ever take off your MagSafe case to use everything from wireless chargers to snap-on wallets. 2. Magez Case 4. This case has a thickness of 0.95 to 1.15 millimeters, making it almost as thin as a second skin for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. It was made to be super thin and light. Express farewell to the additional mass and weight that frequently accompanied telephone cases, as the Magez Case 4 weighs simply 18 grams to 22 grams. One of the champion elements of this case is its MagSafe similarity. With a built-in magnet array, you can now attach and remove MagSafe accessories from your iPhone 15 Pro Max with ease. Whether it's a MagSafe charger, wallet, or some other MagSafe extra, you can now flawlessly coordinate them into your day-to-day routine. However, the Magez Case 4 doesn't simply focus on usefulness, it likewise offers a top-notch hold insight. The 3D grasp finished plan guarantees that your iPhone 15 Pro Max stays safely in your grasp, diminishing the possibilities of unplanned slips and drops. With this case, you can feel certain conveying your iPhone 15 Pro Max any place you go. 1. StarPeak Magez Case 4. The case is made entirely of aramid fiber, a high-performance material known for its strength and durability. It provides excellent protection for your iPhone 15 Pro Max. Aramid fiber is 5 times stronger than steel, so your device will still be protected from everyday bumps, scratches, and drops by accident. Furthermore, the case includes a raised metal lip explicitly intended to safeguard the camera focal point from any expected harm. The case is extremely thin, ranging from 0.95 to 1.15 millimeters, ensuring that it does not compromise the iPhone 15's Pro Max slim profile. Express farewell to the times of hauling around a massive telephone. This case is intended to be feather light, weighing simply 19 grams to 24 grams, so you can serenely convey your iPhone easily. So guys, this was the video about the 3 best iPhone 15 Pro Max Pitaka cases 2023. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.